we will discuss about the services. What do you mean by services? All of us, we know that a business organization deals with buying and selling of goods and services. Goods and services. So we can say goods as a product. Now we are coming to the topic services. What the services is? Services is not tangible in nature. It cannot be touched. It cannot be seen. It can only be realized or it can only be entertained. I'm just considering few examples. Then we will be clear about the concept about the services. First, the mobile network. The handset we are using, that is a product, that is a goods. But the network, whether it is Airtel, whether it is BSNL, that represents services. We need to have the services of that particular mobile company, mobile tower, mobile network company. Otherwise, we can't use the phone. Same way, the TV services. When we are purchasing one TV, that is a product. But all those channels which will be available in the TV, it represents a services. We can consider the other example also. Say if you go to the doctor, if you go to the lawyer, you go to the chartered accountant or any other sort of the professionals. Say I am considering one example of doctors, right? Say if I am sick, I am visiting to a doctor. So he is charging rupees 300 to 500. For what? To check my health, whether I am in well-being or not. And he will write down few medicines in the prescriptions. All those medicines, these are the products. But I am paying 300 to him, to the doctor, not for the medicines, but for the services he has provided to me or to the any other patient. So what we learned that when you talk about services, it is intangible in nature, fictitious in nature. Intangible means it doesn't have any physical shape. Something just like we can't touch it, we can't see it, but definitely we can realize it. And that services will considered as a services in the business only when that services can be measurable in terms of the money. If that services are not measurable in terms of the money, then definitely we are not supposed to consider in the books of the accounts. Second, that services must be related to the business. It should not be related to any individual, any personal, any household or domestic purposes. So this is the concept behind services.